Hello, my name is Ridho Ramadan, and today I will be discussing the topic of law and order, and I'm joined by Aldilan, who will share their thought and experience. Thank you for joining. Can you describe your understanding of law and order in society?
Hukum dan ketertiban adalah sistem aturan dan regulasi yang menjaga perdamaian dan keamanan dalam masyarakat. Ini melibatkan penegakan hukum yang bekerja untuk menegakkan aturan tersebut.
In opinion, how important is law enforcement in maintaining public safety?
Penegakan hukum sangat penting karena mencegah kejahatan dan memastikan masyarakat merasa aman. Tanpa itu, akan ada kekacauan dan ketidakamanan.
Have you ever experienced or witnessed a situation where the law was not enforced properly? How did it affect you or the community?
Ya, saya pernah menyaksikan pencurian di mana tidak ada tindakan hukum yang diambil. Hal ini membuat masyarakat merasa rentan dan mengurangi kepercayaan terhadap sistem hukum.
What do you think are the main challenges faced by law enforcement today?
Saya percaya tantangan utama termasuk keterbatasan sumber daya, ketidakpercayaan publik, dan menangani kejahatan kompleks seperti kejahatan siber.
How can the legal system be improved to ensure fair and equal treatment for everyone?
Kita perlu transparansi, pelatihan yang lebih baik untuk penegak hukum, dan persidangan yang adil agar keadilan ditetapkan secara merata kepada semua orang.
Thank you for sharing your insight. Your thought in law and order help us understand its importance in our daily lives. Hi, my name is Ridho Ramadan, and today I will be presenting about law and order. This is an important topic because it helps maintain peace and justice in our society. Throughout this presentation, I will share a key insight from my interview, my personal thought and conclusion. Let's begin. Law and order are essential for keeping society peaceful and safe. Without proper rules and enforcement, there will be chaos. In this presentation, I will explain what law and order mean, discuss my interview finding, and share my personal reflection on the topic. Law and order refer to the system of rules and enforcement that maintain peace and justice in society. Without this rule, people would act without consequence, leading to instability. Law enforcement agencies, such as the police and the courts, ensure the laws are followed, keeping our community safe. I interview Aldilan to gain insight into law and order. Here are some key points. First, law enforcement play a crucial role in preventing crime and protecting people. Second, some major challenges include limited resource, public distrust, and the rise of new types of crime, cybercrime. And thus, a fair and transparent legal system is necessary to ensure justice for all citizens. Through this interview, I realized that law and order are not just the responsibility of law enforcement but also of citizens. Everyone has a role in following the rules, respecting others, and ensuring justice is upheld. Cooperation between the government and society is key to maintaining order. And the last is conclusion. To maintaining law and order, law enforcement and the public must work together. A fair and transparent legal system help build trust and ensure equal treatment for everyone. By upholding these principles, we can create a safer and more just society. Thank you for listening.